Customizing Planetary Annihilation with mods and have 9B files. These contain modifications for Uber Entertainment's strategy game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these Planetary Annihilation mod files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic, it's the result of knowing which single, sophisticated 9.B file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. A 9.B file is a mod package for the real-time strategy game Planetary Annihilation. These files contain custom content created by the community, such as new units, balance changes, or user interface enhancements. Users download and install 9.B files to alter or expand their gameplay experience, typically using a dedicated mod manager. The 9B format is likely a proprietary archive, similar to a zip file, containing the mod's assets and scripts, e.g., JSON for data, textures, models. This container-based design allows developers to package all necessary mod components into a single, easily distributable file, simplifying the installation process for players and ensuring all dependencies are included. The native handler for 9.B files is usually Planetary Annihilation from Uber Entertainment. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows cannot open script or data files used by engines, so specialized tools must interpret them. Start by right-clicking the 9B file and selecting Open With. Test Planetary Annihilation first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some 9B files are very particular about the opener. When your 9B file does not open, it is usually a small issue. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the 9B file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, installing in Planetary Annihilation. Place 9B files in the Planetary Annihilation mods folder, typically located in your user data directory. Launch the game and navigate to the mod manager from the main menu. Enable the desired mods and the game incorporates them on next launch, providing modified gameplay according to the mod's design and intent. Next, using PA Mod Manager. Install the community-developed PA Mod Manager tool, which simplifies mod installation and management. The tool handles 9B files and other mod formats with automated installation, conflict detection, and easy enabling and disabling of mods. Recommended for managing multiple Planetary Annihilation mods reliably. Finally, browsing Mod Repositories. Visit Planetary Annihilation Mod Repositories, like the Community Mods website or Steam Workshop for the game's various editions. These platforms host extensive collections of community mods including 9B files. Browse by category to find mods matching your preferences for unit additions, gameplay changes, or visual modifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.